What's up, everybody? Your favorite auntie is back. Back. I've been gone for a minute now. I'm back with the jump off. Okay, I'm back with the jump off, back with the tight lashed out t-shirts. Okay, get into it. Ask me about my lashes. Ask me about my lashes. Ask me about my earrings. Okay. So I'm back, y'all, and today I'm gonna be doing another unboxing video. And today unboxing video comes from my favorite artist. Okay, I love paintings, and in the end of this video, I'm gonna have like slides and videos of like paintings from my two favorite artists. One is my homegirl Nadia, but this video is dedicated to Atoya. She owns her urban canvas. Okay, I'm gonna say it slowly so you guys can find her on Instagram as still her urban canvas. Okay, and so I have a lot of goodies. Okay, this one says brows before bros. Hello, get them brows together. Fix that face. No, fix that mug. Ooh, if I was you, I wouldn't be looking like that. Anybody remember that famous line by Sheree? Oh my word. Okay, so look, y'all. Let me turn down this ring light. Okay, I had to get up and turn down this ring. Okay, so I am a spiritual being. I love taking baths, and this is one of her beautiful baths. Okay, this is that. Oh my God, look at my bath bomb. Jesus, it looks like a Rice Krispie treat. And got a chapstick from her. Lip balm, 100% pure natural base. Okay, let's try this out. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. It goes on smooth. It smells good. It's almost like you can eat it. Oh, she loves me. She threw in some teas. Everybody know me, know I love teas. So this is one of the teas. I'm in school now, so I definitely need that energy boost. One that supports digestive. A dandelion. I love tea. Some little goodies. I'll take one of these mints now. Okay. I know this tacky I'm supposed to be doing this while making a video, but this is my channel. Okay, here's another bath. Oh my God. Y'all don't even know. Okay, so this is another beautiful bath. This is another beautiful bath. Okay, so this one's not for me, or maybe this one is. Okay. So, also she sent our friend a gift. Okay. So, April, I have your gift. So, mine is the one that say makeup and wake up. Wake up and makeup. And then this one is for April. And this one is mine. Okay. So, y'all, sorry about that. Let's get back in here. She has these beautiful cards with all of her information. Her business card. Atoya. And it says her urban canvas. It has her Instagram. And it has her email address. And let's see these paintings. Oh my God, y'all don't. So I'm gonna make like, so this, but it's gonna be on the other wall, but y'all can't really see it. Okay, well anyway, Okay, so I'm going to stick these together and I'm going to put these together on the wall. Okay, I love artwork. Like, oh my God. Okay, so this one is the Hasma. And it says, let no sadness come to this heart. Let no trouble come to these arms. Let no conflict come to these eyes. Let my soul be fulfilled with the blessings of joy and peace. Okay. Beautiful. And so she's from California. So I'm going to get all of these framed. This is my woman. She's going to be down here. Okay. I just love artwork. It just makes me so happy. So I need to find frames for all my pictures. Okay.
Gonna say, give me the box and look at my room.
You like the paintings?
Yes. And give me the box, please.
Okay.
I made this.
Okay, wait, let me finish. Thank you. I'll bring it to you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh. Ah.
The 3 kings. This is definitely me and my friends. So I'm going to go get, I love this. I can't wait. Y'all don't even understand how much I love artwork. And let me tell y'all something about Atoya and her artwork. Okay. So she's a special superhero. And once I get done with the story, you'll understand. Okay. So, Atoya suffers from epilepsy, and for her to suffer from epilepsy and to be able to do all this beautiful artwork, y'all don't even understand. Okay, she also made me Aladdin. I got like a whole area over here that's like dedicated to Aladdin. Okay, and so I'm gonna put the Aladdin picture over there, and with these I'm gonna get these all framed and they're gonna hang around my house. Okay, so like I was saying, Atoya, she suffers from epilepsy, right? And if we all, epilepsy causes you to shake and have seizures, okay? And for a woman that has children, she has had 5 kids, okay? All beautiful children, 1 grandchild, and for her to be able to go and freaking draw and paint like this and create these baths, okay? Like, do y'all, like, this is a talent, okay? If y'all don't order from anybody that I ever told y'all to order from, I would like y'all to order from Herurbancanvas, okay? I'm sorry, I'm getting choked up because for one, I shouldn't be talking with this peppermint in my mouth, but I couldn't resist it. Okay, so I'm gonna just say, like, you're not just only getting beautiful artwork, but you're helping this woman, this beautiful Black queen, to support her kids. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. When you buy from a small business, you not just supporting that person's dream. You're supporting their kids' dreams. You're supporting their household. You're doing a good deed for them. Okay, so I'm gonna drop down her link in the comments, and so you guys can order from her. Make sure y'all tell her Ty Lash Doll sent y'all. Okay. And yeah, make sure y'all get these baths. The bath bomb is infused with CBD. So go check her out at her urban canvas. Okay, her urban canvas. All right, bye. Your auntie is gone, 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 gone. Bye, y'all.